Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Parapurge. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a supplement that will help you cleanse or help with the health of your gut and colon. So it is actually for men and women, and it is for cleansing and detoxing. So it will help you with your digestive tract and a lot more. So as you can see, essential nutrients, non-GMO, easy to continue time capsule, does not contain any irritants, and each bottle contains 60 capsules. So if you're wondering if this product is legit or not, let's read some reviews here. So the majority of them are 5 stars. They're actually rated 3.6 out of 5 stars. So this person said, as intended. This person said 1 star, made in China, fast delivery, working slowly. Labels say made in China, waste of money. Why is Amazon not identifying China-made supplements? So I would not doubt this product just because they're made in China, since most of the products nowadays are made in China. And but before buying this product, I would advise you to do some more research about it, since there isn't a lot of information about this on the internet. And considering there are also negative reviews about it, I will advise you guys to do some more research. And if you actually want to buy products like these, I would advise you to buy supplements that are more trusted and that are actually recommended by your medical doctor. So I would advise you to seek professional help first before actually buying products like these. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.